This is DJI Spark, and today I will quickly show how you can charge both the remote controller and the aircraft itself. So if you do not have the proprietary DJI charging station, which allows you to put the batteries of your drone on it and charge them through the proprietary connection, you can charge the battery through a regular micro USB wire together with aircraft itself, because the slot or the charging port is located on the aircraft, not on the battery. Anyway, equip yourself with a micro USB wire like this one, then open this lead here that you'll find on top of the battery charging indicator, and then simply plug one end of the wire into this port and another end of the wire to charging adapter or to the brick adapter, and simply put all this contraption to power. The same goes for the remote controller, more or less, since it also has this micro USB charging port. So look at the bottom part of your controller. So here, insert one end of the wire into this charging hole or charging port. So let me see if I can put it in with those legs folded. Probably it will be more convenient to retract them like so. Now I should be able to put this wire in, no problem, yes, and put another end of this wire to the charging adapter once again, put it to power. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.